So here we are, exclusive media preview for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. A couple of days right before the Galaxy Unpacked event, I had a chance to play with the Galaxy Z Fold5 along with all the other devices such as the Flip 5. I've been very impressed with how much of a leap the Galaxy Z Fold5 has taken to 5 generations of this product. So the first thing that I noticed once I picked up and held the phone in my hands is how much lighter this is compared to the Fold 4. And immediately, the lightness of this phone just gave this impression that the form factor is now so much more optimized compared to the previous iterations. The gap is now almost non-existent. Samsung's engineers have figured out a way to engineer the hinge so that the two panels are touching each other and still it's going to remain very, very sturdy and strong. The hinge is the testament to the engineering capabilities of Samsung. This is the best that you can get from any foldable device. It has been for a while, and yet Samsung manages to figure out a way to improve that. I have used the Fold 4 for half a year, adopted so many times, and never in those half a year that I've been using it, never did I worry about breaking it. And I've dropped it from crazy heights. I've dropped it from above my head, I've dropped it from waist down, I've dropped it from like just walking on the street. And I never worried about components breaking, and I never heard any weird noises. I've never had any scratches on the screen. It might just be one of the lucky ones, but I feel that this just shows just how well built this product is by now. And if you're still not confident about getting a foldable device, then let me ease your mind. Let me tell you that the Galaxy Z Fold5 really is going to do well. Having gone through 5 stages of the product development lifecycle, it's now at a point wherein they are just simply refining the minor things such as the software experience and the gaps in between the two panels, making the screen much tougher than before, making it faster. Of course, this phone runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, and of course improving the camera capabilities on this phone. So this comes with a 50 megapixel main sensor or 12 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor, which captures really good quality images. So as you can see, we have 3 colors that are coming to the Philippines. My favorite is the blue one, but it also comes in white and the classic black color for those of you who prefer more toned down or more elegant colors. Phone will be launching on July 26, so watch out for the live stream launch and the price announcement, which will be happening on the official Samsung channels. In the meantime, if you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section below. Talk to us. We'd love to hear from you, and we'd love to hear your thoughts on the Flip 5. Is this a phone that you're planning to get? Will you be upgrading from different phone, or if you're upgrading from an older generation such as the Galaxy Z Fold 4 or 3 or 2 or 1? What are the things that you are looking forward to seeing? What are the improvements that you'd like to see on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5? Once again, it's been Kuya Den. I'll see you guys in the next video. Paalam.